Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a Halloween look. Happy Halloween. I'm Nicole Dionne and today we're gonna do Mommy Shark. My 3-year-old is obsessed with that song. If you have a toddler, you know what I'm talking about. He loves sharks. We had a 3-year-old shark birthday for him, which was just a few days ago. He was born a couple days before Halloween. Of course, he's gonna be a shark for Halloween. And I'm definitely gonna be Mommy Shark for Halloween. So let's do this. So first what I'm gonna start out with is a clean face and face paint. I'm gonna take one of my regular foundation brushes. Get that wet. First, you want to paint half of your face pink. Next, we're going to take white face paint and do the second half. Second step is to paint the second half of your face white. Now we're gonna take a black face paint and do our eyes. Make little eyelashes. Next, you're going to black out your eyes and create eyelashes. Then you're gonna take a pink, red, mauve lipstick, and we're gonna create these cute little puckery lips like Mama Shark. I'm using Revlon Color Stay Backstage. And then we're gonna use a little bit of liquid liner as a outline for the lip, since Mama Shark is a cartoon. I'm gonna sharpen my lines around my eyes. Now I'm gonna break out my makeup, and I'm gonna take palette 2, and we're gonna go with this darker color. You wanna know what this is for? Getting rid of fallout. So face paint isn't very smooth, and the makeup helps to just soften and smooth everything out. Okay, I'm gonna take the brightest pink blush that I have, and I'm gonna go over the pink. See how that just softens everything? And then for the bottom half, I'm just gonna use a setting powder. To finish off with mascara, and I'm using Ardell Mega Lash. Gotta throw on a pair of lashes. Time to do hair. You're gonna need a kind of like a banana clip type thing. And we're gonna throw the hair up to make kind of like a shark fin. There we go. And there's Mommy Shark. Mommy Shark, do 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 do. Mommy Shark, do do do. Mommy Shark, do do do. Mommy Shark. Hope you guys have fun with this. Your kids will totally love it. I'm excited to see my little 3-year-old tonight. To see what he thinks when I pick him up from daycare and take him out trick-or-treating. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Like and subscribe to my channel for more updated videos like these. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to connect with you there. Guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.